If you're using AI to grow your business right now, there's a 73% chance you're paying for at least 2 tools that do the exact same thing. And the average freelancer? They're bleeding $2,400 or more a year on AI subscriptions they don't need. I built a free tool that tells you in 60 seconds exactly how much you're leaking and which free alternatives match 90% of the features. No email opt-in, no sign-up. Just paste in what you're paying for, hit a button, and you'll see the number. I'll walk you through exactly how it works. The 3 categories where almost everyone is double paying, and the one free alternative I personally use that replaces a $60 a month tool with 0 quality drop. Stay with me, because the 3rd category is the one nobody talks about, and it's probably costing you the most. Here's the number nobody talks about. According to the most recent SaaS spending reports, Productiv, Vendr, Zylo, between 33 and 38% of every dollar businesses spend on software subscriptions is wasted. Not underused, wasted. As in, nobody opens the tool at all. And the AI tool stack is the worst category, because new tools launch every single week. Founders panic, they pile them up, ChatGPT, Claude, Gemini, Perplexity. They're stacking general-purpose chat assistants that all do roughly the same thing, paying $20 a month for each one. Here's the truth most YouTube channels won't tell you because they're affiliated with these companies. A freelancer running a small business does not need 4 AI assistants. The performance gap between the paid tier of one and the free tier of another is, in most workflows, less than 5%. Sometimes literally 0. You're not getting 5 times the value for 5 times the price. You're paying 5 times for one tool. But that's not even the most expensive leak. The most expensive one is the one you don't even realize is duplicate. I'll show you in the next section. Let me give you the real cost. Take the average freelancer or small business owner using AI seriously. The typical stack looks like this. 1 premium AI assistant, $20. 1 AI writing tool, $36. 1 image generator, $10. 1 video tool, $29. 1 voice tool, $22. 1 coding assistant, $10. 1 automation tool, $19. That's about $145 a month just on core tools. Add a couple of niche subscriptions, specialized tools, maybe an extra API here or there. You're easily past $200 a month. That's $2,400 a year. $2,400 is most freelancers' monthly rent. It's a week-long vacation. It's 6 months of business runway. It's the money that could let you say no to bad clients and only work with people you actually want to work with. And here's what makes me genuinely angry. At least 80% of that bill is replaceable with a free alternative right now. Not a worse one, not a light version that nags you to upgrade. A genuinely free tool that does the same job. There are 3 categories where almost everyone is double paying. First, chat assistants. Second, AI writing tools. And third, this is the one nobody catches. Voice and transcription. Most people are paying $20 a month for Otter Pro when Whisper, the actual model that powers most of these tools, is free and runs on your laptop. That's $240 a year for something OpenAI literally gives away. Now here's the part that actually changes things. I built a tool that does this entire audit for you. Free. 60 seconds. Let me show you exactly how it works. This is the AI Subscription Leak Detector. It's at ai-bizcatalyst.com/leak-detector. Bookmark that right now. I'll put it everywhere you can find it. Here's how it works. You click Add AI Subscription. The drop-down gives you 25 real tools with their actual current prices. ChatGPT Plus at $20, Claude Pro at $20, Midjourney at $10, Perplexity at $20. The full list is right there. You add the ones you're paying for. As you add them, the cost summary updates instantly. Monthly bleed, annual projection, running total of what you're hemorrhaging every year. And the number I want you focused on could save per year. Because every tool in this database has a verified free alternative. We list them all. Click Free Alternatives on any tool. You see exactly what to switch to. ChatGPT Plus has Claude free, Gemini free, Meta AI as options. All unlimited, all good, all $0. The notes tell you the exact trade-offs so you can make an informed decision. You see what each one does well, where it might fall short, whether it's actually worth switching. No pressure, just clarity. And here's the killer feature, the overlap alerts. The tool flags duplicate categories automatically. If you're paying for 2 AI assistants, 2 writing tools, 2 video tools, 2 anything, it tells you immediately. No judgment, just clarity. Most people run this for the first time and light up a dozen different overlaps they never noticed. And the leak score at the top tells you, as a single number, what % of your stack is replaceable. Critical leak. Moderate leak. Healthy. Most people who use this for the first time get a critical leak score over 70. That's how leaky your stack probably is. I made it free, no email required, nothing stored on a server, your data lives in your browser, never on ours. I want you to use this. Right now, if you can.
Pause this video, open AI-bizcatalyst.com/leak-detector in another tab, and run your audit while I wrap this up. I'll wait. Here's what I've learned from watching hundreds of people use this tool. The leak score isn't the real number that matters. The real number is the action number. Because knowing you're bleeding $2,000 a year on duplicate tools does nothing. But knowing exactly which tool to drop and exactly which free alternative to use, that changes behavior. One freelancer cut their monthly bill from $240 to $60 and said the quality barely changed. Another person dropped 4 writing tools and now just uses Claude Free plus a couple of specialized paid tools. She actually got more done. These are people who have less capability. They're people who stopped paying for overlap and started being strategic about which premium tools they actually need. That $2,400 a year? That's not just money. That's runway. That's leverage. That's the difference between being desperate for clients and choosing the ones you actually want to work with. Now here's the final piece. Most people think the solution to a leak is to switch everything to free tools. That's not it. The real strategy is this. Use free tools for 80% of your work. Spend premium on the 20% that actually moves the needle for your business. If you're a writer, free Claude, free Gemini, but maybe pay for a specialized editing tool that catches things generic assistants miss. If you're a coder, free Whisper for transcription, free Claude for most coding, but pay for a specialized tool for your exact use case. This isn't about being cheap. It's about being strategic. It's about spending money where it actually multiplies your output, not where it's just redundant. Most people waste their AI budget on duplicate generalists and never have budget for the one specialist tool that would actually transform their workflow. And that's the shift the leak detector helps you make. Again, if you want to run your own audit and stop the leak, the AI Subscription Leak Detector is completely free. The link is right in the description below. AI-bizcatalyst.com/leak-detector. 60 seconds. No sign up. No email. Your data never leaves your browser. Grab it now and find out exactly how much you're bleeding every month, and which free alternatives get you back the same workflow at $0. If you want to see exactly how we built a real AI income system from scratch, please subscribe to our channel to receive notification of our weekly videos that will help you in your journey. When you subscribe to the channel, please remember to hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos hit the channel. And be sure to follow us on your favorite social channels. Please drop a comment right now below as I want to hear from you. So, what's your AI subscription leak score? Run the audit and tell me below. And tell me which paid tool surprised you the most. Enter your answer below as I read every single comment, so your answers literally shape what I create next. I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep building.